Look at the durian. The only thing is I don't know how to eat the durian. But here's the durian at ENC. Ayan guys. Hindi lang kasi ako marunong kumain ng durian eh. Pero ito po yung durian nila nakalagay sa bag. 5.99 na found out. Kaya naku, parang ano to sobrang ano to eh. Kaya mahal siguro kasi mabigat. Yan guys.